Hey, and welcome back. I'm Tyler Lemmond, and we are looking at Network Plus CertMaster lab number 1.5 Troubleshooting Methodology. In this lab, you will be guided through a simple network-related troubleshooting scenario. First, we're going to connect two computers to the switch using the Create Link tool. Then we're going to verify that Office 1, the computer, can reach the external website. Verify that the home laptop can also reach the external website. Theorize why one can and why the other one can, compare the IP addresses, implement a fix, and then test the fix. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. I know this sounds a little scary, but they actually introduced it pretty easily. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is that we are going to connect the two computers to the switch using the Create Link tool, which is right down here. And we're going to create a link from the switch using port 1 going to Office 1 and port 2 going to home laptop. Again, using the ports, which it doesn't matter what port you use, just as long as you get a port done or you use a port. Okay, verify that Office 1, which is this computer right here, is connected to the internet and has access to the external website by launching Chrome. So we're gonna gotta get rid of the tool. Then we're going to launch Windows. We're going to open up Chrome. We're going to go to mrksupplies.com. We are not able to connect to the website, so something is wrong. Now what we're going to do is we are going to test it on the home laptop to see if it's an isolated thing or not. Okay, so now we're in the laptop. We're going to open up Chrome. We're going to go here and we're going to type in what is it? rmksupplies.com. RMK. There it is. And as you can see, we are able to access the website. And since we're able to access the website, that means that this laptop is connected to the internet, but something is wrong with this computer. What that tells us is that the issue is not the switch and it's not the router. The problem is either the computer or this cable. So let's keep going on. Let's keep going down. Let's theorize what might be the problem. The IP address could be configured wrong for Office 1. The cable might be bad. I just said that. The port on the switch might be bad. I didn't think about that. That's true. So let's test some theories. So let's compare the IP configuration of the machine that's working with the machine that's not working. So let's go here to the home laptop, launch Windows, and we're going to go right down here, right click, and we're going to enter in these settings. We're going to go and click on Ethernet, and we're going to go down. We see that we have automatic DHCP and that our IP address is 192.168.120. Okay, sounds good to me. Now let's go to the home office. Let's launch Windows. Let's go over here, right click, hit network and internet settings, Ethernet. We have manual settings, which means that someone came in and manually put this in. Don't know why, but it's probably not correct because our IP address is most likely either input wrong or bad. There could be a whole slew of reasons why this could not be right. So let's implement a fix. Let's try changing the IP configuration on Office 1 to match a home laptop. Under the IP assignment, select Edit, and we are going to click and put Automatic. Save, and our IP address was immediately changed. Let's see rmksupplies.com. RMK. And there goes it fixed. Sometimes it needs a minute to reestablish connection. So we have fixed it. The problem was a bad IP address. Let's check our score. And boom, were you expecting anything less? All right. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button. If you don't want to miss out on content like this, make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.